Imagine waking up every day feeling genuinely happy, not because of wealth, luxury, or fame, but because of something much deeper. Now, here's the shocking part. Some of the happiest people on Earth live in places you'd never expect. No billion-dollar mansions, no fancy cars, yet their smiles are wider, their laughs are louder, and their hearts seem lighter. What's their secret? Stay with me, because today, we're going on a journey to meet the happiest people on the planet. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at happiness the same way again. The quest for happiness. Happiness. It's what we all chase, right? Some search for it in money, others in success, and some in the perfect Instagram-worthy life. But what if I told you that happiness doesn't come from any of those things? We traveled across the world, from the remote villages of Bhutan to the sunny shores of Costa Rica, from the quiet streets of Denmark to the lively markets of the Philippines. And what we found will blow your mind. The happiest people on Earth are not the wealthiest. They don't have the most followers on social media. So what do they have that we don't? Get ready, because we're about to uncover the real formula for happiness. Bhutan, the kingdom of happiness. Our first stop is Bhutan, a country that literally measures its success in gross national happiness instead of gross domestic product. Yes, you heard that right. This country prioritizes happiness over money. The people here live simply, surrounded by breathtaking mountains, and they focus on mindfulness, gratitude, and strong community bonds. The government ensures free healthcare and education, and nature is protected by law. But the real magic, their mindset. They believe that true happiness comes from appreciating what you have, not chasing what you don't. And here's something crazy. Scientists have found that Bhutanese people have some of the lowest levels of stress in the world. Imagine waking up every day without the pressure of chasing material things. Sounds like a dream, right? Denmark, the secret of hygge. Next, we land in Denmark, one of the happiest countries in the world. But here's the twist. Denmark is cold, dark for months at a time, and has some of the highest taxes in the world. So why are the people here so happy? The answer? Hygge, pronounced huga. It's a way of life that focuses on coziness, warmth, and connection. Imagine spending your evenings wrapped in a soft blanket, sipping hot cocoa, surrounded by close friends and family with zero stress about work. That's hygge, and it works. Studies show that social connections, work-life balance, and a sense of trust in society are key reasons why Danes are so happy. Maybe happiness isn't about where you live, it's about how you live. Costa Rica, Pura Vida lifestyle. Now, let's travel to Costa Rica, a country famous for its Pura Vida lifestyle. This phrase literally means pure life, and Costa Ricans live by it every single day. People here don't stress over deadlines or rush through life. They enjoy simple things, family dinners, nature walks, and long conversations with friends. And get this, Costa Rica has one of the highest life expectancies in the world. People here regularly live past 100, not because of expensive healthcare, but because they live stress-free, eat natural food, and stay active. Here's a wild thought. Maybe happiness is just about slowing down and appreciating life more. The Philippines, finding joy in simplicity. Last stop, the Philippines. If you've ever met a Filipino, you know they have one of the friendliest and most joyful spirits on earth. But here's the surprising part. Many Filipinos face hardships daily, yet they remain incredibly happy. The secret? Family, laughter, and a strong sense of community. Filipinos find joy in the smallest things, singing karaoke, sharing meals, and celebrating even the tiniest achievements. They don't wait for a perfect life to be happy. They find happiness in life as it is. And the science backs it up. Studies show that strong social bonds and positive attitudes make Filipinos some of the happiest people in the world. What can we learn? So what's the takeaway from our journey? Happiness isn't about money or success. It's about gratitude, connection, and mindset. Simple pleasures, good food, nature, family, and laughter matter more than material things. A slower, more mindful life might just be the key to true happiness. Now here's the real challenge. Can we bring some of these happiness secrets into our own lives? Maybe we start practicing gratitude like the Bhutanese, create cozy moments like the Danes, slow down like the Costa Ricans, or find joy in the little things like the Filipinos. And before you go, drop a comment below. What makes you truly happy? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little more happiness in their life. See you in the next adventure.